Okay, so I'm back and I just washed my face. There we are. We're going to pat dry. Amazing. Just to get the excess water off of my face. Then we're going to pat that off. Awesome. My skin feels nice and refreshed. Oh, and by the way, this towel can be yours with the purchase of a charcoal mask, which is only $24. Amazing. The activated charcoal mask. I'm not doing that tonight. I'm sure if you haven't seen my other videos, please go ahead and check me out on YouTube at TrueSpiritMK. Subscribe, like, and share. So we will start with the Volume Firm Eye Cream. I love this because it has a titanium top, which if you have ever watched a boxing match, when boxers have swollen eyes during the fight, they use a metal plate to help to reduce the swelling. So this works exactly the same way. You add just a little bit and gently you add it to the eyes. The eye cream, just a little bit, goes a long way. And then you gently rub that in. Just continue to rub that in using the metal plate. Amazing. And this helps to lift, definitely takes care of those advanced signs of aging. If you have deep wrinkles, this absolutely helps to remove them. Not remove them, to reduce the appearance of fine lines. And I use my ring finger to just pat in the excess. The next thing I'm going to use is the FirmAdvanceLiftingSerum. TimeWise. Amazing. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. This goes into the triangular area to help to lift and sag that area. Always try to work upwards in circular motion. We do not want to aid gravity. So that goes right in there. Awesome. And then finally, we have our night cream. The night cream has retinol inside of it. So it is only to be used at night to help to relax the facial muscles, relax the face, and helps to brighten the face in preparation for sleep and to prepare your face for the morning or for the following day. Just a little bit. You see how that pumps out there? Amazing. Take just a little bit. Again, fingertips, I rub it. A little goes a long way. Again, avoiding the eye area. We've already worked on the eyes. And that's that. Your evening skincare routine. Look at that. Nice and refreshed. Awesome. You guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Love, love. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, TrueSpirit-MK. Check me out on Instagram, Cole's Choice, KOLESCHOICE, or Facebook, either my personal page, which is Cole Atherley, or you can go to my group page, which is TrueSpirit-MK. Looking forward to seeing you. If there's anything here that you would like to try, please do not hesitate to go to my website, which is www.marykay.com/Katherley. marykay.com/Katherley. Go ahead and check me out. If you register on my site, I will give you a lovely surprise, complimentary gifts, free credit, and things like that. So please do not hesitate to go ahead and check me out, and I will definitely look forward to hearing from you, because I do offer virtual beauty experiences. This was quick, this was short. You and I can have a one-on-one where you can do this with me, and I can share my beauty tips and my beauty secrets with you. Again, subscribe, YouTube, TrueSpiritMK, Cole's Choice, Instagram, True Spirit MK, Facebook, or Cole Atherley. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed evening.